Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas, going to walk you through a custom hybrid. Gator Pit was the first custom builder to come out with a 1/4-inch thick hybrid. Everyone else followed us. Months later, they came out with their own versions of a Gator Pit hybrid. Again, we were the first to come out with the hybrid. That is no BS, guys. I've been doing these for years. This is a 20 by 40 pellet hopper, pellet smoker, and offset smoker, and a charcoal grill in one pit. And obviously it's custom designed for Keysaid Ranch down there that we custom cut with our plasma table. It also has gas assist in there, D-rings, and a lot of options. This is a custom build that we did for a customer, and he based this off of our Texas Premier 2036, Texas Premier 1 2036, and then he kind of made it his own by changing a lot of stuff on it. Give you an idea where he did and how custom Gator Pit is. We've got the Smoke Daddy Pellet Pro Elite Hopper. It's a 35-pound hopper. You can see the Pellet Pro or Smoke Daddy logo on there. It comes with the meat thermometer, the PID controller, probe port. We added stainless steel pull push handles that also protects the hopper somewhat. He's got the drop down shelf with this custom cut ranch name in it there. That's a nice addition to any cooker. We can do that for anybody. You'll have to contact us to build this particular pit. You can start on our website to get an idea of pricing, but when you customize them to this extreme, you've got to call me, okay? Ritch, 713-896-0144. He's got the D-rings added to it. Let's get over here and start with the firebox, and we'll work our way down. Here you've got your 20 by 20 1/4-inch thick firebox. You've got gas assist. There is gas in here to get this thing started and get it started really quick and really easy. And there's your lines, your valves, your regulator hose, which is a quick connect, no tools required, and your removable tank holder, which actually sits out here and hangs and locks in place. And you can see where it locks right there. That hangs on your lower log rack. That log rack's framed out in 2-inch angles, guys. We beef everything up. He's got a 2-inch heavy-duty ball valve on there, stainless ball in there, brass threaded. He's got dual stacks. He's got a lot of custom work on this. Got a protective cover for the gas line. In here, we've got the cowboy grill, some call it. Grill firebox is what I typically refer to it as, because that's what it is. It's a grill firebox. Sliding meat rack. And you can see down there your fire grate, your gas assist torches in there. We make all that. That's 1/4-inch thick steel. We made it out of 1/4-inch, so it prevents it from burning out prematurely over time and use. And you've got your heavy-duty angles in here. All right, that's 1/4-inch thick angles in there. Check that out compared to some of our competitors who use a thinner wall, which will burn out a lot faster, a lot quicker. You're going to get a long time out of this firebox, a very long time, as long as you don't neglect it. Flanged doors. Some may say, well, don't that leak? No, it does not leak. I guarantee it does not leak. Look at that. You don't even see a gap in there. It's not going to leak if there's no gap. That's what Gator Pit's known for, no leaky doors. Our reputation over 30 years has been no leaky doors. People try to figure out, other builders try to figure out, how do we do that without using gaskets? It's 30 years of doing this, guys. 30 years. A lot longer than that, to be quite honest. I've had the company 30 years, but I'm 57 years old. I've been building pits since I was 14. That's probably longer than anybody in the business. 14 years old. I'm 57, y'all. I've had the company 30 years. We're not trying to figure this out. We figured it out a long time ago. That's why people order these Gator Pits, man. They're getting that knowledge, that experience of those years of trial and error and figuring this out. And that's why other builders copy us or try to. That's why I get them calling me, want to know how we do what we do. Had it just yesterday. This is a beautiful pit. This guy is going to love this Gator Pit hybrid. There's your pellet dump. Get all your pellets out. Beautiful pit. Let's go inside here. Got a split upper rack. Gator Pit's known upper rack split. Called the Party Gator rack. He's got the lower slide rack. He's got tuning plates, heat shield, grease pan down there. If he's using that firebox, there's all kinds of ways he can do this. He can leave the grease pan in as a heat shield. He can take the grease pan out. He can put the tuning plates in there to work his baffles across here, along with the heat shield. The heat shield works as a tuning plate as well. You can see how we've got it set up. Adjustable plate, Heat shield's still in there. I would leave it like this if I was using that firebox. If I'm using the hopper, I would put my grease pan in it and take the tuning plates out. Beautiful setup. Of course, the fully flanged doors and blah, blah, blah that Gator Pit's known for and all that beautiful quality. Look at that. I say blah, blah, blah because I have this in 500-something videos. Y'all just redundant, repeating myself. Y'all know Gator Pit's quality. It is near perfection, guys. Near perfection. And the customization of what we do, man, let me tell you what. You call me and tell me what you want and I'll design it. You got the price, the money, the budget, call me. You start getting these big customs, they're not cheap. But we do things other people don't do. That's why they come to Gator Pit. Find this on the internet somewhere. You will not. I'm laughing because I love it, man. Nobody's going to do stuff like this. Gator Pit will. Ritch Robin will. Give me a call. Let me find out what I can do for you. All right, in your dream pit, dream cooker. See ya.